Okay, so before I get into the video on the giveaway, I just want to remind you guys that I have a Patreon account, and over there I have additional giveaways just for Patrons every month, and as well as if you're looking for things that I'll be selling. I know that I've put out some posts before on selling items. I think that my Patreon account would be a better place to post those, so if you're looking for those as well, check it out over there. Of course, things for sale aren't just going to be for Patreons. Of course, anyone can buy those, so those will be for sale over there. And now we'll get into the video. Okay, so this is going to be the video for entering the contest to win a Mobula7. I want to thank Happymodel for providing one of these for one of my lucky subscribers. So all you gotta do is leave one comment and one comment only down below. Like the video, and of course be a subscriber, and make sure your subscriptions are public. And I recommend that you do turn on your notifications by clicking the little notification bell next to the subscribe icon to make sure that you are notified and are aware when the announcement video for the winner of this prize is going to be made, which is going to be sometime around the end of January, beginning of February. You definitely don't want to miss that video because you'll have only 48 hours to claim that prize. Otherwise, I will choose another winner. So that's it for this one. Just make sure you're a subscriber and leave one comment and one comment only, and like the video, and then you're in for this contest. Good luck, everybody, and I'll see you in the next giveaway video.